Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. One of the most dangerous aircraft, the B-2 Spirit, is currently active with the United States Air Force. Not only is the B-2 Spirit a stealth aircraft, but it is also capable of carrying some of the deadliest weapons in the world. Stealth, paired with precise, lethal firepower, means no adversary can effectively defend against it. When it comes to ammunition, notably, the BLU-82, commonly called the Daisy Cutter, is regarded as one of the most lethal. It was initially designed to clear helicopter landing zones in Vietnam. However, its massive 15,000-pound blast, capable of destroying jungle and foliage across a 5-acre area, transformed its role from a functional tool into a psychological weapon. The bomb, which was released from a C-130 aircraft, gained prominence after being used against underground complexes during the Vietnam War and later in Afghanistan. The BLU-82 was more than simply a powerful clearing device. It also played a crucial role in tactical operations, shaping modern aerial bombardment methods and highlighting the advancement of military technology. In 1997, the distinctive B-2 Spirit stealth bomber was unveiled to the world. It stands as the apex of strategic long-range bombing capability, able to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. This aircraft, first deployed in 1997, is capable of penetrating heavily defended anti-aircraft environments and striking high-value targets with unmatched precision. It utilizes advanced stealth technology, reducing its radar cross-section and making it nearly invisible to hostile defenses. The B-2 remains a vital element of modern warfare, having played key roles in operations over Kosovo, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Its ability to fly more than 6,000 nautical miles without refueling highlights its strategic and operational flexibility in global strategic and tactical missions. One of the reasons the B-2 has a small radar cross-section, RCS, is that all its weapons are carried internally. At Whiteman Air Force Base, maintenance and loader teams prepare a B-2 for flight. Loaders are made up of 3 members, and they employ a munitions handling unit or jammer to transport weapons to the aircraft and mount them. Joint air-to-surface standoff missiles, JASSMs are among the various weapons that the B-2 can carry inside its bomb bay. With the bomb bay doors open, the jammer's parabolic arm lifts the JASSM into position, where it is secured to the bomber. Another factor contributing to the B-2's low radar visibility is the aircraft's flying wing design. The B-2 bomber's flying wing configuration is essential to its stealth characteristics, as it removes tail and fuselage elements that would normally reflect radar signals. By using a continuous, smooth contour, the aircraft minimizes surfaces capable of generating radar returns. This design not only disperses radar waves in multiple directions, but also significantly reduces the bomber's radar cross-section, making detection and tracking by enemy radars more difficult. Additionally, the absence of vertical surfaces lowers heat signatures, enhancing stealth against infrared tracking systems. With the B-2 possessing the ability to bypass air defenses through low observability, it must deliver a decisive strike to justify its operating cost. At cruising altitude, the B-2 refuels every 6 hours, carrying up to 50 short tons of fuel at a time.
And contact Jennifer.
Roger, that sounds good. I can disconnect.
And 9-1's disconnect.
Inside the B-2 are 2 bomb bays capable of holding up to 40,000 pounds of ordnance. These weapons include systems such as the JDAM, Joint Direct Attack Munitions, B-61 or B-83 nuclear bombs, various missiles, and the GBU-57A BMOP Massive Ordnance Penetrator. Weighing 30,000 pounds, the MOP is a bunker buster used by the United States Air Force. It is significantly larger than any bunker buster previously employed. Another crucial element of B-2 operations is aerial refueling and hot pit refueling. These techniques not only extend its formidable range, but also maintain crew proficiency through demanding training exercises. Aerial refueling enables the B-2 to conduct extended, long-range missions by receiving fuel while airborne. In contrast, hot pit refueling allows for rapid ground refueling with engines running, which is essential for quick response scenarios. Together, these procedures are fundamental to the B-2's operational readiness, reinforcing its role as a persistent and versatile presence in the skies. Beyond operational effectiveness, another essential consideration is its maintenance process. Given its substantial weight of 160,000 pounds, specialized procedures are used to ensure optimal performance. The massive aircraft is lifted on hydraulic jacks, allowing comprehensive maintenance of its landing gear. During this process, all hydraulic cylinders are carefully inspected for any signs of leakage, and wheels are replaced if damage is found. At the same time, the aircraft undergoes engine maintenance, a vital step in ensuring the bomber's reliability and readiness. This thorough maintenance approach emphasizes the importance of consistent, rigorous upkeep in preserving the B-2's operational integrity and extending its service life. Looking at the evolution of stealth in aviation history before the B-2, the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk emerges as another significant aircraft in this stealth lineage. Developed by Lockheed's secretive Skunk Works during the 1970s to counter advanced Soviet SAMs, the F-117 was the first operational aircraft designed with stealth as a priority. Its first flight took place in 1981 at Nevada's Groom Lake, with the first production model delivered in 1982. The F-117, a single-seat, subsonic twin-engine aircraft, features an advanced suite of navigation and attack systems, relying mainly on GPS and inertial navigation. It carries an internal ordnance bay capable of holding up to 5,000 pounds, including various laser-guided and GPS-guided bombs. Designed with a distinctive faceted shape to reduce radar detection, the F-117 has a radar cross-section of roughly 0.001 square feet. This stealth design, however, restricts its speed to subsonic due to lower engine thrust and the absence of afterburners, which also lowers its infrared signature. The aircraft's stealth performance is further enhanced by its non-circular tailpipe, engineered to mix hot exhaust with cool air, minimizing its infrared footprint. Although groundbreaking, the F-117's stealth technology is not immune to detection, as passive radar systems can occasionally locate it by exploiting redirected radar energy. This brief overview emphasizes the F-117's unique role in aviation history as a pioneer of stealth aircraft design. The F-117 Nighthawk's limited capacity led to the creation of the larger and more adaptable B-2 Spirit. Delivered to Whiteman Air Force Base in 1993, the B-2 reached initial operational capability by 1997. Originally designed for nuclear missions, this stealth bomber evolved into a dual-role platform, handling both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-2's combat debut occurred during the 1999 Kosovo War, where it played a vital role by conducting long-duration, non-stop missions from Missouri to Yugoslavia. Notably, it became the first aircraft to employ GPS-guided JDAM smart bombs in combat, marking a transition toward precision-guided munitions and away from the controversial carpet bombing approach. Despite flying a limited number of sorties, the B-2 accounted for a substantial portion of the bombing campaign in Yugoslavia. As the U.S. plans for the future, the aging fleets of B-2s, B-1s, and B-52s are scheduled to be replaced by a new generation of bombers. Originally expected to operate the B-2 until 2058, the financial year 2019 budget accelerated its retirement to no later than 2032. To address this gap, the Northrop Grumman B21 Raider is being developed as a strategic bomber for the U.S. Air Force. Part of the Long-Range Strike Bomber program, the B-21 is designed as a long-range, stealth intercontinental bomber capable of delivering both conventional and thermonuclear weapons. It is intended to replace the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040 and potentially the B-52 Stratofortress afterward. The B-21's development began in 2011, with Northrop Grumman receiving the development contract in 2015. It's maiden flight on the 10th of November 2023 and is expected to enter service by 2027. The B-21 is envisioned as more than just a bomber. A 2015 report suggested it could function as an intelligence platform, battle manager, and interceptor. Former Secretary of the Air Force Deborah Lee James described it as a fifth-generation global precision attack platform with networked sensor shoot capability. Northrop Grumman promotes the B-21 as the world's first sixth-generation aircraft, representing a major advancement in strategic bomber capability. It features a significant payload capacity, able to carry a 20,000 pounds weapon load. The aircraft measures 54 feet in length, with a broad wingspan of 132 feet. Its empty weight is 70,000 pounds, while its maximum takeoff weight reaches 180,000 pounds. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney PW9000 non-afterburning turbofans, each producing 27,000 pounds of thrust, the B-21 can achieve speeds exceeding Mach 0.8. These specifications highlight the B-21's role as a powerful addition to the USAF's arsenal, combining range, payload, and speed. The evolution of stealth technology in U.S. aviation has been a path of groundbreaking progress. From the pioneering F-117 Nighthawk to the formidable B-2 Spirit, and now the advanced B21 Raider. Each aircraft marks a major leap in technological development, demonstrating the USAF's commitment to sustaining aerial superiority. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.